on the way to somewhere.
Kyle Stewart.
Yeah, we
Kyle
sang.
Stewart's so awesome.
We sang like a whole song.
Kyle Stewart, that kid's funny.
I know.
We sang like a whole song.
Something.
I
think recording. Probably is. Song.
Sorry and shit by Tech 9.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that word that he just said?
Sorry in Shiz by Tech 9.
Okay, good. Your mom could watch this video, Nick. What would you have to say about that? Oh.
Someday, will just be yours.
Look at it right here.
It looks awesome.
Whoa! What are you pointing that at, Matt?
Oh, man.
It's like the wrong sound right there.
Someday.
Not a proper HTML. This is Asian training a dog. Obey. Let's look at his technique. You missed it. Let's see that technique again. You train that dog. What do you have to say?
I am training this dog. It's gonna be my bitch.
Gonna be what?
You're my bitch. You. Hi.
Are you high?
I'm sorry. Ow. Come on, dog. Come on.
Someday.
Chill. Just chill. Chill, dog.